Here we are. We're gonna go swimming in here, Mullet Beach here. Let's see what's underneath here. Is anything good? I don't know. We'll see. I hope it's just an easy fix for the mic. I hope it's just the microphone, not the camera. Kind of the side here was kind of difficult to close. I don't know. Maybe water got in there. I have no idea. We'll see how it's all sounds when I get back. Shall we? Let's take a dip in the water here. Oh my word! Oh. Oh my goodness. Woo. You get any of that stuff in your mouth, it is salty. Ooh. Woo. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, goodness. Now it's kind of acting weird in the front here, so I don't know what's going on in this thing, but we'll have to see what happens when I get back. I don't know, maybe it got wet on the inside, and it's all screwed up. Who knows? We'll find out, because usually, you can see in the front how long it's going for. I don't know. So, who knows? But water's nice. But he's been over, man. Well, now it's back. So I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. Yeah. Great day to be at the beach. 27th day of April, 2025. Looks like Mahu's right over there. They're landing over there. We'll see how clear it looks when we play it back. We'll see, but lots of music going on. Lots of people. There's some women here that just think they look good in small bikinis. It's like, no. It's the first beach I've been at where they're actually trying to sell you something. Usually they don't have that, but like you go to Mazatlan or Mexico, it's everywhere. So. Another day to hang out in the ocean. Yep. I love it. Mullet Bay. Mullet Bay Beach, whatever it's called. Just floating right over here. But you can rent this for $10 a day. All day. Oh, my goodness. I don't know how far that goes up way over there, but how far that goes. Just walk. You can get up here and walk or not, but it's kind of cool. But yeah, it's been a fun vacation so far. Probably didn't bring a computer. I didn't need to check. Well, it's not working, but it could be the microphone itself, it could be the extension. If it's the action 4, then you get a new one, I guess. But I don't know. All of a sudden, when you're doing it, you can see it in the front. It'll tell you the microphone's on. So who knows? If it got wet, I don't know. I think I got a backup one back at the house. So here it comes. Maho's got a very, very strong. So here comes one. Nice and cold, not overly cold, but just a nice, refreshing. Salty Caribbean ocean, right? Goodness. This is on the Dutch side. Oh, good. Very nice. Plane coming in over there. Little pole jumper. Today I'll show you. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not. Probably, if I can hear, you can hear it. Oh, goodness. We'll see what it is with the microphone. I hope it's very simple. It's another microphone. It's not a big deal. I don't know. So it wasn't working. I was walking halfway to the beach. I'm like, wait a minute. It's not working. I think it was a Daily Woo one day. He was on a trip one day, and all of a sudden his DJI was like, all of a sudden he freaked out because it was a corrupted chip or something. Got lucky, but for him, I mean, he makes money at this, so it's like you do a whole day of video, and all of a sudden your chip is corrupted. I think he fixed it, but it's like, that's his job, man. It's like, anybody who does content every single day. I mean, I do it every day, but just for fun. But all of a sudden you're like him or Cartbagger or anybody, or the Huss or anybody. Any of the YouTubers that really do good work at what they do, all of a sudden they're like, shoot, they got a problem with their chip, the camera, and they waste the whole day. So, oh God, so nice. Yeah, you can rent that thing $10 all day. People swimming out here. One should have a life preserver on. Ooh, what those good. He does, but they should be out here with a life preserver on, because all of a sudden you swallow some of the salt and then the kid freaks out. But anyways, it's a great time to come out here and go swimming, right? Oh, it's a beautiful day. Can't ask any more than that. Like I said, it rained yesterday. I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow. I can't know what we're going to do tomorrow. I think we're going to go to a restaurant over here tonight. We're going to do some on Monday. I don't know, go somewhere. And Tuesday, before I go, we'll just hang out all day at the school. Check all 11. Fly back to Twin Cities. 4-hour layover. But anyways, see what's going on real quick. Alright guys, but anyways guys, we'll see you in the next one, the Caribbean. Talk to you a while. Bye.